Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to monitor your progress in Lumosity. First, open the Lumosity website and you will find yourself in the home page after you log in. When you log in, here you will find some states and some progress about your LPI, which refers to Lumosity Performance Index. And here, as you can see, this is your best score that you have or best LPI that you achieved. And here you have your current LPI, also uh, everything or every score concerning each cognitive skills. And as you know, each speed or each skill of Lumosity has its own specific games. So you should play too many games to have your score high or change. Also, you can click here in this menu, click on your stats, and you will see your progress here. So now you can see all my score. Uh, in addition, the scores of the maths and language. Also, you can see here your training history. So you can check or track your progress in your Lumosity app. Also, there is a change in LPI, which is up by from by 4% in the last 4 weeks. That means this is how you track your progress. Also, you can see your progress using trends like this, and you can have like the period of times, also your LPIs or games that you played, plus the LPIs with in these games. Uh, Also, you can choose only 4 weeks or you can choose the all-time scoring. Uh, Also, you can compare yourself with other users or users of Lumosity with in a age of group in a group of age. So, for example, I am, let's suppose that my age is here. So I'm going just to choose this one. And now you can see that I am better than ninth percentile, where a percentile is like 9%, just a percentage of the people that I'm better than them, or my score is higher than them. And also you can have the general LPI, or you can have like for each specific skill and have its own tracking score. So this is how you can monitor your progress or your scores in this application or in Lumosity. Thank you for watching and goodbye.